Hey everybody, Tad here with Tips for Technicians. Today we are in an attic. It's foam, feels nice because of that insulation. We're replacing this evaporator coil. This evaporator coil has already been replaced once, so we've got some manufacturing practices that are not really up to standard, up to par like they need to be, and that's the reason we're having to replace this coil. I'm going to show you where it was leaking, show you the new coil, and talk about why HVAC technicians will never run out of jobs, because not only is equipment old and breaking down, but it's new and it's breaking down. So let's take a look at this real quick. Show me where this thing is leaking here.
Right there in the U-bin.
Right there in that U-bin, guys. This is an aluminum coil. Before, the coil was copper. This was the replacement for that copper coil. Now it's aluminum, and now we're having to replace it again. And I've had to do this for, I don't know, probably at least 20 or 30 units. A lot more. We replaced hundreds of these coils, but you know, this is where we're having to go round 2, and that's sad when you're hitting round 2. But technicians, you'll always have something to do, because, well, mistakes like this are being made on the manufacturing side of things in this industry, in the HVAC industry, and we're having to repair those parts. Luckily, this one's covered by labor. There's a labor warranty. That's why your labor warranties really are effective when you have situations like this. So definitely sell the labor warranties. You technicians out there, sell those labor warranties, especially if the brand's offering a labor warranty, because then they're paying for the work to be done. You know, you want to go to a customer's house every year to service and clean their unit. You don't want to have to go every year to repair their unit. And they lose confidence in the brand, you know, and that's why it's good to have a good contractor, because contractors make all the difference. They take care, we take extra good care of the customers to make sure that they know that we're here if the machine breaks down, okay? You know, it's all mechanical, so things break. I understand that. This right here is poor manufacturing practices. And this is where the technician is really the saving grace, the one who's there on the front line to take care of the problem. And that's why technicians really represent the company and also make situations like this for the customer. They make it worth the while for the customer when they have somebody they can trust. So just want to show you this. You technicians always have something to do, because problems like this are happening all the time in the field. Do I like these problems? No, I don't like them. But we're here to fix them. We're here to be here for the customer, to let them know, hey, you bought this unit from us. We're going to be here to take care of it. And usually they're upset because the unit's failed, but it's mechanical. We reassure them it's a mechanical machine. We're on top of the recalls. There have been recalls. So, and I know a lot of brands are experiencing this. I'm not going to name the brand, but you know, you can tell if you're a technician watching this, you know what brand it is. So leave a comment if you do, and let me know if you guys are experiencing any recalls like this in the field. If it's coils, if it's compressors. I know there's a rust inhibitor problem that we've had an issue with, and then TXVs. We've had problems with those being purchased from other countries, and they're really not good quality. So, but anyways, technicians, you'll always have something to do. Contractors sell those labor warranties, and I just want to do a video, show you guys what happens in the field when you have a recall or a part that you've got to change 2 or 3 times. It's frustrating, but we'll put this new coil in. We'll use nitrogen to pressure test to make sure we don't have any leaks, and we'll be in good shape. All right, guys. This is Tad reminding you, I'll keep you cool if you let me.